Here's another shot from the second day. I don't know what field we're in. It's still overcast and there aren't nearly as many people here as normal. Well, we just thought we'd take this shot, show you some of the vendors. There's a Chevy driving off in the distance. You can look across the street and you zoom out, zoom in. Across the street is camping, and then way off in the distance is just the countryside. It's very pretty over there. And we'll get a wide shot and just go walking for a second and see what we can see. There's all kinds of stuff, all kinds of automotive stuff. That says it's for a 56 Ford. Looks like electric seat. Or is that a convertible top of some sort? Anyway, there's the convertible top for a 50 Mercury. $1,500 for it.
Really super clean.
Various tools. There's more distributors here than you shake out. Oh, this guy has Model A parts. We got Model A
So we kind of set him back a month.
hoods.
Do it right away.
Here's fenders.
Well, you know Lance, you know. So
Got quite a variety of Model A fenders here.
But yeah, we got a pretty good crew.
Here's a whole
just
block.
got the same people basically, and you know, I'm
sale?
full time.
Oh, it's Canadian, he says.
Yeah. Yep, Dennis is still in.
There's a table full of shocks.
Oh, Pete.
Here's some stuff for younger cars.
Because they stink quick. Yeah, surprise. I'll tell you what price, I'll come right back.
And you find just office supply kinds of things. There's a stapler.
I take money away from out of your pocket.
Thermometers. An old bicycle generator.
Then you can't go back to that
BB gun. And you'll find people have camped out right beside their tables. They bought a space for that. Here's a typewriter. There's a nifty little belt drive generator. 8-track tapes. There's a nice clock. Some later model carbs. Cameras, transformers. Here's another view of the park. This row out here, this street's going to be just full of cars as the weather gets better in the next couple of days. Let's zoom in and get some of those. That whole row will just be jam-packed with cars.
What's going on, neighbor?